It is that time of the year, my favorite time of the year. This is Meshell from Emigh Ace Hardware. Welcome to Halloween, or any time of the year, but this is the time of the year that everything gets a black spray paint, your staple. My favorite spray paint in the store has got to be this color shift. The color shift paint turns different colors depending on how you're looking at it. It is so amazing to transform all kinds of things. Last year I did spiders, skulls, vases, everything you can paint with this stuff. Comes in a couple different shades, a green and a copper, a couple different blues and purples, and then this one's like a copper tone. It's amazing. First you base coat with a black and then spray away. I've even done creepy little bugs. They come out great. Also really fun is the glow-in-the-dark paint. Hit it with a light and it glows for 2 hours. We have this one that glows twice as long, the 2X. Lots of fun, put little details on things. Also available, we have a plethora of glitter and craft paints on this aisle and the next aisle. Your imagination is the only limit. Have a wonderful holiday season from Halloween all the way through to New Year's. Come visit us at Emigh Ace Hardware today.